like to welcome you to the CNBM Open Day. I'm really excited to be here. You know, before a building becomes visual art, it has to be built. And behind every big, amazing structure that you might see in Zambia today, there has to be material that is made in order to make that building possible. And one of the great products that has been used in the recent buildings that we see is cement. I'm really excited to take you behind the scenes of China National Building Material Group for you to see how such products are made. Come join me.
Cement is here.
Build with the right quality, a million tons a year, making your dream a reality. Yeah, that's quality.
Great to finally meet you. Please introduce yourself and your role here.
Welcome to China National Building Materials Zambia Industrial Park. What you see before you is a model of the park. Now, 3 years ago, none of this existed, not even a road leading to this place. Fast forward to today, we have the park and a 10-kilometer road, which gives access to the park. Sinoma Cement is becoming a household name, known for our aggregate, cement, concrete, and bricks.
When we carry out our duties, we make sure we wear our full PPE, whereby wear some gloves and mask and goggles for us to be safe.
B25, C35 and C40.
This is what we call concrete.
Strong.
Leading safety.
What we want is
Guarantee.
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 Jonathan, I would like you to tell me what is happening here. We've just seen the stones getting crushed, and I hear they came in with a conveyor belt. So what is happening from the conveyor belt? Tell me what's happening here.
Okay, it's coming on the belt top there into the stacker. Stacker is stacking. Then after stacking, the reclaimer is reclaiming into under the belt down. After under the belt down, it goes into another belt. It goes into the proportion. Proportion is the area which is mixing material. It's coming from limestone and the long shade there.
Okay.
So it ends there.
So basically this place is here just to make sure that you keep the material here. It's just a storage facility here.
Yes.
Build with the right quality, a million tons a year, making your dream a reality. Yeah, that's quality.
So clinker is a product that's used when you are making cement. And it is burnt in a kiln, I think, and I'm going to be corrected here by my friend that I'm with right now. But one thing that I'm finding so shocking is that there's not a lot of smoke. What is going on? I expected more.
Okay. Due to new technology to this plant of ours, dust is mostly, or smoke is mostly controlled with certain equipment which have been planted. And these equipment which are inside our plant are dust collectors. So before the dust leaches that side, there is a lot of equipment which are dust, they collect that dust and return it into the process as it is needed in our cement production. As a result there, you can't see the dust because of the back filter like this one. That is the major duty of the back filter, to collect dust and return into the process.
That's fantastic. So you are telling us the truth when you say you're using world-class technologies, the best technology in the world, to make sure that you remain environmentally friendly, right?
Exactly.
Oh,
Exactly.
fantastic. So tell me now, so what happens in this silo?
In this silo, what is happening is the storage for raw mill, raw material. And this silo, that's where raw mill is being kept before taken to preheat system. And the company is making sure that no one is affected with dust. It's always protected. And they've made that clear, as you can see. Even mask, whatever employees they have it. Also the community, the location is protected due to what I've already explained to you.
Staying true to your core values as CNBM and making sure that your community around stays healthy and safe. I'm so excited. This is really, really cool. Aren't you excited about that? The fact that you get a product that is great quality, but that also remains faithful to keeping the environment clean and healthy for us as Zambians.
Welcome to the Central Control Room. It is short for CCR. Here, many of the cement manufacturing processes are controlled from right here. Most of the machineries have sensors that send signals to the computers that are in here. If our cement plant is the only plant that has few labor, this is because most of the machineries are controlled remotely here.
This is packer 2, the next one. And then we have packing machine number 1. Yes, these are the transport bays. 5 loading bays. Yes, there's 3 for automatic loading machine, for manual loading. These are the bags we use.
Quality, quality, quality. It is something serious. Control quality is with me. Who did it done before? Quality, quality, quality. It is something serious. Control quality is with me. Who get it done before?
In order to ensure good quality, Sonoma Cement goes through rigorous testing and quality control.
So this is the physical part of the laboratory. Here we do tests for physical properties of cement. So we are just going to do one illustration on one of the physical tests of cement. So the physical properties of cement are we do standard consistency, we do soundness, we also do the setting time and the compressive strength of cement. So now this is just the procedure on how we do prepare the test samples for the compressive strength of cement. What we do, we weigh like a certain amount of cement, which is 450 grams. We mix it with water, about 225 mils of water, which is doing there.
Looks like my baking mixer.
So yeah, just after mixing there, we place that pot on the cement mortar mixer. This is the room where we do the compressive strength test. So these test samples have to be broken using the flexor testing machine. After breaking them, that's when we go to the pressure testing machine to test for the final test, which is compressive strength. You place this one there, and then you just place it there.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the X-ray fluorescence machine, and then we use it to check the compounds which are found in different substances that we use. Once it starts running, you put your pellet in this pellet holder. You hear that sound, you open the machine, and you place it. The sound goes on again, you close it. The rest the machine will do. And then the goodness of this machine is it's very accurate. Yeah, so which means whatever the results give you, that's the actual results that you get.
Yeah, so in the cement we usually test for in the chemical analysis test for calcium and magnesium. This one we are now testing for magnesium. Okay. First we add the
potassium?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, so we add the potassium sodium titrate.
You see, I know something.
Okay. Then after adding this, we add the triethanoamine. Okay.
Okay.
Then after adding this, we add the pH 10.
So what did you study in order for you to be able to do this?
I studied chemical engineering.
Ah, right here in Zambia?
Yes, yes.
Fantastic.
The other step is the indicator.
Okay.
Yes, so the indicator is called the KB indicator. That's the indicator. Okay, so that's the color that we get after adding the KB indicator. Then we now titrate it with the EDTA solution. The end point, it will change to blue. This one will help me to see clearly the color change with the light here, so be able to pay attention. When we reach that color, we know that we have reached the end point.
We turn soil into pan brick. Nothing wasted in our pack.
Common clay, large garlic, perforated clay. Jury pan brick is right.
Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'd like you to introduce yourself.
Yes, please. I am Senior Headman Chiyeya in Malundu Zone 9.
Tell me about the impact that this plant being here, CNBM plant, has had on the community.
Earlier on, Pande Limestone Limited, the life was somehow a little bit hard. Yeah, but now they've made us some roads. You can see a road now coming from here leading to Lusaka is tarred. We have a school here now, but you see it was a type which was sometimes on, off. It wasn't a good school where people can enjoy. Yeah, compared to what we have now, which was built by Pande Limestone Limited. Yeah, we have, which runs up to grade 7.
Wow, fantastic.
Yeah, sure. We also had no clinic, the government doing a health post. Now, initially before putting up their plant, Pande Limestone Limited built us a very good clinic, where today the whole community is happy about it, I'm telling you. So our children are attending a good school now. Yeah, we have a good clinic. We didn't have some water. Some communities were really in a problem to access water. So I personally represented them spoke to Impande. Then, though not all of them have got water, but some certain groups of this community have got water.
Fantastic. Children here have a better future because of education.
Yes, exactly.
The health also aspect of the community has been taken care of.
Yes.
And we are going to see more healthy children being born because the mothers can go for prenatal sessions and they're able to give birth at the clinic. They also have access to clean water.
Yes.
I really find this very empowering for the community.
For sure.
So much for watching today's CNBM Open Day. I've had a fantastic time here. It's been great to see how all these products are manufactured, processed, and finally put out to the market. You can see so much time and effort goes into making sure that we have a quality product for us as the consumers. I would like to also make sure that we bear in mind that this project that came up in 3 years was not going to be possible if it wasn't for the selfless hard work of not just Chinese builders but also Zambian builders. I would like to thank the selfless staff also that work right here at the plant daily, making sure that we get a good product of Sinoma cement, concrete, aggregate, and pan bricks. I have had a beautiful day and I hope you've enjoyed it too. So make sure the next time that you see Sinoma cement or any product by the China Building Material Group, you will purchase it with pride, knowing that it was made with quality guaranteed. From me, Lulu, have a great day.